Get ready to chew your fake because today we are cooking up a delicious vermicelli noodles. The dish that is quick, easy and utterly satisfying. So if you are a noodle lover, gather here and let me show you the process. Let's get to the kitchen and let's whip up something delicious.
Funny like the beautiful sea, I chose to be happy. We're like diamonds in the.
To start our cooking process, we start by slightly frying our shrimp, which has been pre-seasoned with some garlic, ginger, black pepper, salt, and some seasoning cube. Gently fry it on a low heat until it is golden brown. Once that is done, begin to scoop out of your pot and put a little amount of oil, some ginger and garlic, and go in with your pre-seasoned chicken breast. Fry through until it is golden brown or you are satisfied with the level of frying. Once that is ready, take it out of your pot and then add another oil into the cooking pan. Then go in with your vegetables. Gently fry it and then add all your spices. Feel free to use any spices that you like, but here I'm adding curry, thyme, pepper, black pepper, ginger, garlic, then some soy sauce, which is really important in your vermicelli noodles. Some people even go in with dark soy sauce, light soy sauce, oyster sauce, but I won't be doing too much because all these sauces they are high in sodium and I don't want to consume too much sodium, so I'm just going to use light soy sauce in my vermicelli noodles. So do what you like. So this is how I'm going about with mine. So once I'm done with the cooking process, I will take it out of the pot. Don't let it be too soft. Just fry it for a few minutes and take it out. Then once it's done, go in with another oil, put in your onions, add in some spices. You can add red bell pepper, green bell pepper, whatever you have at your available to you. You can add it to it. Then add some salt and some chicken cubes. Stir together and then go ahead to soak your vermicelli noodles. So this is the vermicelli noodles we are going to be using for our Singapore noodles. Add hot water into the vermicelli noodles and soak for like 3 minutes. Don't let it be too soft. So once you are done with the consistency of the noodles, strain out the water and transfer into another bowl before adding it to your cooking pan. Now it's time to do all the combination. So once the water in the vermicelli noodles has completely strained out, then transfer the noodles into your cooking pan where you have the already fried spices that you have in the pot. Go in with all your vegetables, the chicken breast, the shrimps, and everything that you're going to be adding to the noodles. Then add another soy sauce for moisture so that it won't be too dry. Lightly stir everything to combine properly. Then don't let it stay too long on the fire. Mix everything together and now you have it. Yeah, our delicious vermicelli noodles is ready. So would you be trying this out? See how lovely it is looking. See how beautiful it is looking, and it tastes so good. So would you be trying this out? If you are going to be trying it, let me know in the comment section and share your feedback with us. If you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the notification bell so that you'll be aware anytime we upload a new video. Thanks for watching and see you in my next one. Bye.